Hi there! In our past videos, we've talked about some thrilling attractions like most stunning churches and unbelievable artifacts from history's hidden vaults. Today we're diving into something equally exciting: swimming pools. These aren't your regular pools, they're extraordinary and almost unbelievable. From breathtaking designs to heart-pounding thrills, each pool on this list is unique. We'll count down incredible pools, including some you may not have heard of before. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss out on more exciting videos like this. Let's dive in. The Devil's Pool. Located at the edge of Victoria Falls in Zambia, the Devil's Pool is not for the faint-hearted. This natural infinity pool forms at the edge of the falls, where the Zambezi River plunges over a 350-foot cliff. Visitors can swim right up to the edge, protected only by a natural rock barrier that prevents them from being swept away. The thrill comes from leaning over the edge and looking down at the roaring waterfall below. It's both terrifying and exhilarating. The pool is only accessible during the dry season, when the water levels are low enough to make it safe. Despite the risks, it remains a bucket list destination for adventurous travelers. Would you take a dip in the Devil's Pool? Let us know in the comments below. Dizzying Sky Pool in London. Suspended 115 feet above ground, the Sky Pool in London is a stunning feat of engineering and design. This glass-bottom pool connects two luxury apartment buildings in the Embassy Gardens neighborhood, offering swimmers the unique experience of floating in the air. The 25-meter-long pool is completely transparent, giving swimmers an unobstructed view of the city below. While it's undeniably beautiful, the height and clear design make it a thrilling and slightly unnerving experience for those afraid of heights. It's a dazzling blend of luxury and adrenaline that has to be seen and swum in to be believed. Blood Red Pool. The Library Resort in Koh Samui, Thailand, is home to the famous Blood Red Pool. Its water isn't actually red. Its unique appearance comes from the red, orange, and yellow tiles lining the bottom, giving the illusion of blood red water. Surrounded by tropical palm trees and the white sands of Chaweng Beach, the pool offers a stark contrast that's as eerie as it is beautiful. Visitors often describe it as mesmerizing yet slightly unsettling. It's not a traditional scary pool, but its unusual look makes it a fascinating spot to visit. Would you swim in a pool that looks like it's filled with blood? It's a chilling yet unforgettable experience. Don't forget to subscribe. Are you enjoying this list of extraordinary pools? If so, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Hit the like button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss out on our latest videos. Let's keep going with the countdown. The Cage of Death. Imagine swimming mere inches away from massive crocodiles. At Crocosaurus Cove in Darwin, Australia, you can do just that. The Cage of Death is a transparent acrylic enclosure that's lowered into a tank filled with giant crocodiles, some over 5 meters long. As you're submerged, the crocodiles might swim right up to the cage, giving you an up-close view of these incredible predators. It's safe but incredibly thrilling, making it a top pick for adrenaline seekers. Would you take the plunge? Share your thoughts in the comments. The Skyscraper Pool. In Houston, Texas, you'll find the Skyscraper Pool on the 42nd floor of a luxury apartment building. This glass-bottom pool extends 10 feet beyond the building's edge, offering swimmers a bird's-eye view of the city below. The thin plexiglass floor creates the illusion of swimming in the sky. It's a mix of breathtaking beauty and nerve-wracking thrill. If you're not afraid of heights, this is a must-try experience. Just remember, don't look down too much. The deepest pool, Nemo 33 in Brussels, Belgium, plunges to an impressive depth of 113 feet, making it one of the deepest pools in the world. Designed for divers, the pool features underwater caves, platforms, and even simulated ruins for exploration. Filled with warm, clear water, it's an underwater paradise for beginners and experienced divers alike. Plan ahead if you want to visit. This popular attraction books up quickly. The crater in Midway, Utah is a geothermal hot spring inside a 70-foot limestone dome. Naturally heated water makes it a year-round destination for swimming, snorkeling, and scuba diving. Formed over thousands of years, this unique pool offers a soothing and adventurous experience. Whether you're looking to relax or explore, the crater is an unforgettable destination. The Pool Illusion. This pool, created by artist Leandro Ehrlich, is more of an optical illusion than a traditional pool. A thin layer of water sits between two sheets of glass, making it look like people are walking underwater. It's a popular attraction for its creativity and photo opportunities. While you can't swim here, its innovative design earns it the top spot on our list. Which one was your favorite? Was it the Devil's Pool, the Blood Red Pool, or maybe the Cage of Death? Let us know in the comments below.